Good morning, everybody. Gonna be dyeing up another shirt here, people.
This one was our 50% water, 50% bleach.
Yep.
Size medium.
Medium. Just waiting on the mushroom shirt.
And what colors do we want to do on this one, babe?
I don't know.
I say,
Sorry for the sirens, people.
I say let's attempt hold on, let me try that again. Let's attempt a rainbow.
A rainbow. Alrighty. A orangey red rainbow.
One, two, three, four.
To the dyeing rack.
To the dyeing rack. I gotta get my color.
What do we have in store for color today?
I'm thinking a deep orange.
Deep
Golden
orange.
yellow. I got my hot
Golden
pink
yellow.
and turquoise over there. So I need these two and a green. We'll do granny apple.
Granny apple.
And deep purple.
Awesome, awesome.
Or actually, why don't I use our custom green and our custom purple made by
Okay.
ours truly.
Sounds good. They are very deep colors, so I guess they would go pretty well on a reverse like this. So some hot pink.
Hot pink. White. Orange.
What is that? Deep orange?
Deep orange.
Deep orange.
Deep orange.
Lemon
Golden
yellow.
yellow.
Oh, golden yellow. I'm sorry, people. Golden
I
yellow.
wanted the deep yellow because I don't know if anything else will show up against that
Right.
bleach. So then
Right.
green. Green next.
Good old deep green. Custom green.
Custom green. Green.
Some turquoise.
Blue. Turquoise.
Turquoise.
And we'll finish that up with purple. Again,
Deep purple.
made by my babes. Okay. Now flip it over, do it again.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Going for a nice orange rainbow here, people. Look at that.
So hot pink was.
Hot pink.
Hot pink. Orange, deep orange.
Deep orange.
Orange. Yellow.
Citrus yellow.
Golden yellow.
Or sorry, golden yellow. I keep doing that every time. It's a different yellow. Golden yellow.
Golden yellow, yes.
Custom green.
Yep. Green. Blue.
Turquoise. Just our blue tone. And deep purple. Get in the middle good with it. Yeah, perfect.
Alright. To the drying rack.
To the drying rack. And there it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.